everyone, we Supreme Reiki would like to welcome all of you for this video. Now this video would be about our workshop Divine Light Ascension, that is DLA. Now let me explain how this modality works through an example of a light bulb. We all know that suppose this is a light bulb and it glows very brightly. We all know that. But what if there is a layer of dust or dirt around that light bulb? You would see that the brightness of the light bulb will be little lower or lesser, right? So this is how this Divine Light Ascension modality works. It basically takes in the energies of the entire cosmos, the energies of your higher spiritual beings, to basically remove all the layers which no longer serve your purpose. Those layers could be the layers of fake individuality. Those layers could be your belief system. Those layers could be your judgments. And this modality will help you to peel off these layers, and they will help you to get in connect with the soul within you. The soul which is shining so brightly, which is the guiding light of our life. So basically this DLA is a soul awakening modality. The healing happens on its own when you awaken the authentic true self within you. The healing happens. This DLA modality helps you to accept yourself unconditionally. And once you have accepted yourself unconditionally, you will be able to accept everyone around you unconditionally. This DLA helps you to forgive yourself, let go of all the guilt emotions. And once you have forgiven yourself, you would be able to forgive everyone in your life. And that's how you are going to liberate yourself from all the sufferings of life. So basically, this modality is a self-transformational modality. Because once you transform yourself from within, once you shift from within, the world around you automatically shifts. It's not that the life will not have any roller coaster ride. No. The life will definitely follow the pattern of your heartbeat. There will be up and down in your life. But this modality will help you to stay calm, to accept the beauty of this rhythmic life, and to enjoy all the challenges of life, all the tides of life with love, gratitude and grace. There is so much in this modality. There are symbols in this modality. And basically it's a very big modality. Whenever the person is ready for this modality, and when the person enrolls for this modality, there is a dance of soul within. The symptoms happens immediately. Some or the other thing gets activated. I've seen people, whenever they enroll for this modality, they have their clairs activated even before their attunements. Because it's the language of the soul. It is related to the soul, and there is the dance of soul within. So this Divine Light Ascension modality is only related to the journey of your own self, the journey of self-discovery, the journey of self-realization, the journey of self-love. And this journey leads to the enlightenment. And that's how you feel that life is such a blissful gift that we all have. And you will feel so lucky to have incarnated here. You will know who you are, why you're here, what is your soul mission, what is your life purpose. You will no longer be a person who would be following the herd, chasing the dreams unnecessarily, unrealistic dreams. No. You would become a person who would know what are your strengths and weaknesses, who would combine both your strengths and weaknesses. And that's how you would realize that what is your real soul mission and which path to follow. And once you are clear of all the life path through your self-awareness, you will attain contentment and peace within, and you will gradually find a sacred space within where there is only love, wisdom, truth, knowledge, joy, happiness within you. And that's how you feel so complete. So complete, and that's what I say, a full stop. So now, in this modality, we would learn many things. We would learn how to heal ourselves, how to heal others, how to protect ourselves from various influences of life, how to center ourselves, and how to be the master of your life and co-creator of your destiny. In this modality, we'll be also doing intuitive readings like automatic writing, where we'll be channeling many information from higher dimensions. We will be also doing Akashic records. We will be unlocking the answers of a life path. So this modality is basically about a 4-month modality. It's a very systematically designed modality by both of us, Karishma and Jilmil. You will have to do only one thing. You will have to fetch half an hour daily. Half an hour daily, not more than that. Half an hour daily. Daily means daily till your last breath of your life. Because that's how you have to fetch half an hour to fall in love with yourself, to bond with yourself, to discover yourself. So in that half an hour daily, we'll be giving you notes or guided meditations or some exercises to find about yourself. And I'm sure it is going to be a beautiful journey. So in case you feel that there is some dance of soul within you, honor the calling within and contact us. Loads of love and light, Supreme Reiki, Karishma and Jilmil.